Hey, is he outside? Hey, go back to the front. Go back to the front. Hey! Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up, drop the gun! Unit 3 Charlie, 22, looks like the subject has a gun. He's inside the backyard. Hey! Long Beach Police, put down the gun! Put down the gun right now! Looks like he's back there.
You have eyes on him?
Yeah, it looks like he's in the back right now. Put down the gun! And you won't be armed! If you do not comply with my commands, I will force against you! Put down the gun! Unit 3 Charlie 22, subjects armed and inside the backyard currently. Hey, watch out. Unit 3 Charlie 22, it's a black pistol. Sir, put down the gun right now.
Hey, everyone, come outside the house. Who is he? Who is he to you? Huh? Come outside. Come out over here.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, sir, to the officer. Thank you.
Is this everyone that's in the house?
Everybody.
Hey, I'm with you, Nava.
He has
I'm
the
with
gun
you,
pointed
Nava.
at his head right now.
Okay.
Hey, sir!
Hey, brother. Hey, relax. Hey, put that thing down, man. Hey, we want to talk to you. Relax. Can you put that thing down on the ground, please? Put it down on the ground. We're not here to hurt you. We don't want to hurt you. Put it down on the ground, brother.
I think Lopez is getting him out of the house right
Come on, man.
now. Yeah, I'm ready.
We're not going to hurt you. We need you to put that down, brother. Come on, dude. No, we are not. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. You're not in trouble right now. Just relax.
Do we have anybody inside the rest still?
Yeah, we need to, I think we need to find an
Lopez is getting him out.
evac. What's your name, dude? What's your name, brother? Hey, come on, man. Just put that thing down. We don't want to hurt you. No, we don't. What is your first name? Huh? I can't hear you. Okay, I don't want to hurt you. None of us do. Can you put that thing down, please? Come on, brother. What can we do to help you right now? No, dude, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Okay, everything is okay right now. All we got to do is put that thing down. All right, I'm going to try this. Okay, I'm going to do my best. You ready? Look at that. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. All right, I did my end.
He's tucked in behind the wall. I can't see him.
I held up my end of the bargain. You gave me your word.
Then let me help you. Wait, yes there is. Why don't you come out so you and me can have a conversation? Rip, do not pick up that gun, Rip.
Who was that? Who was that?
That was me.
310-23-998. This is done.
Hey, someone.
Hey, he's still.
Yeah, go
He's
inside
moving.
the house. What do you got, Marco?
He pointed the gun at
He pointed the gun at me.
Okay, where is he?
He's down.
Where'd you hit him? You know?
Pretty up. Yeah, I got it.
Sam, 15 more.
Come on, not that time.
Hands on, hands on.
Rolling that way.
Guns on the right.
Leave the gun. How far?
Got it?
Hey, get ready to give medical after this.
Yeah, I got it.
Lift it up. CPR. Roll back over. Okay, go ahead.
Watch out for the gun behind you.
Got you.
Watch out for the gun. Watch out for the gun. It's right
He's
there.
like low pressure.
All right. Go.